You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town, is it? This place, this city, located in Canada. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from Canadian, make sure to stay tuned. It's in Quebec, if you want to learn how to say that. Also, Trois-Rivieres is the French pronunciation, or French Canadian. Trois-Rivieres, it literally means the three rivers. Trois is French for three, rivière is French for river. And yes, because it's where different rivers, including Saint Laurent, meet. So Trois-Rivieres, Trois-Rivieres. If you cannot pronounce French, you can say Trois-Rivieres, Trois-Rivieres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.